Are you seeing my shared screen for the PowerPoint slides now? Yes, thank you. Okay. This is not in the meeting. Somebody came and left. Probably make sure you are attending the correct tutorial, because some of them find that they come in, after that they found that it's not. Okay, just to have a quick check. Sapriya is not here. Okay, Rita has left, probably she has entered the wrong room. Okay, never mind. For those students who are new, just now I was covering this page here. Okay, all right, this page. How are we going to know which video to watch? For worksheet 23, right? For this worksheet 23 here, we have the prerequisition that is needed. For this, you will have to go to video number lesson 30. Okay, so this is the number 30 lesson that you need to go through before you attend for worksheet 23. Okay, Tommy, can you hear me already, Tommy? Let me check where's Tommy. Yes. Tommy, can you hear? I thought I hear Tommy. Okay, very good. Can you hear me? All right, can. Next, number 2. I want you to know our house rule. I want everyone to turn on your video. Okay, Estrella? Estrella. Yeah, thank you, Jia Yuan. Okay, turn on your video if possible. If you have any issue, please go to the chat function. Drop me a message, okay? Welcome, new students who are with me first time today. Yeah, just to brief you on the house rule, please turn on all videos, all right? Because I want to see your pretty face, your handsome face, right? Now, you can mute your microphone. In fact, more encouraged lah. Unless your environment is very quiet, you want to leave it, I'm fine with it, huh? Okay, anything urgent, you just need to raise your hand, all right? Ask permission. If you need to go to the toilet, please do so, okay? Don't need to ask, but do come back, huh? Okay, last thing here is be respectful. We do not want students to scribble things that is on the screen, because our students are watching and then they need the space, right? So I will be the one who is doing the presentation most of the time, unless your name is called for a purpose to write on, okay? All right, my timer, Tommy, where are you? Where is my timer bomber? Always bomb me one. Wait, let me search for Tommy. You know what to do or not? Yeah. We are not so sure, Jaden. Pray hard, okay? Please pray for me, because today we have quite a fair bit of new things to cover. Okay? Tommy will help me to manage my time. Okay. All right. Now, the last lesson we talked about speed, distance, time, right? Correct now. And then if you watch the video, you'll be able to, roughly know what the idea, how does the formula arrive at. Okay. All right. So I suppose this one, you know what to do. Okay. Michael took 30 minutes, question 1, to walk a distance, and what is the average speed? Now, first thing first, you must always take a look on the unit. You see, this is meter, this is meter, this is minute, and he want kilometer per hour. So what you can do is convert them into the units that he want. Okay, and they say they want average speed. Last week I spoke of the triangle. Okay, the golden triangle is very useful. Why? Because the golden triangle give you the 3 musketeers. Why 3 musketeers? Because you have distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. Okay, and distance is speed. This time is equal to distance over speed. Okay, I just write it down for your information. D is S times T. To find T, you use distance to divide by S. To find S, you use the distance to divide by T. Okay, Now, the speed here, average speed, it can be from many parts of the journey. Okay. When there are two parts of the journey, you must add all the time together. You don't do average. Don't confuse with average. Don't do one stage at a time, one journey at a time. Okay. Do not. Okay. Just follow what we are supposed to do first. Okay. All right. Let's check. Cheryl is here. Okay. Let's check. Sapriya is also here. Thank you for joining me. Who else I have not seen yet? Okay, we have a lot of participants today. That is very good. Jaden, Miko, Priya, Serena, Sharia here. Tommy is here. I have Charlotte Yuan, Xia Yuan, Isaac Yuan. Should be okay. 13. Okay, so one missing. Okay, I'll check it later. Okay, all right. So first thing first, we take a look. We always want to draw distance line. Okay, for this kind of question, usually we do distance line. Okay, so we use this to represent. And he took 30 minutes. Now I'm going to change this to hour. I'm going to change this to kilometer. Okay, so this is the distance line. Michael. Okay, I'm this direction. I make a habit to draw each time. And I always label them. Now, you notice that Michael, I draw it on top of the line. So I want to have all the information on top of the line. Okay, on top of this line. So then time taken is half an hour. So you have to find your speed. So speed will be distance over time taken, right? So let's take a look at distance is 2.25. And what is the divide by half? Okay, so divide by half, that will give you times 2 over 1. So what is times 2? 2.25 multiplied by 2.
4.5.
Yes, 4.5. Thank you. So this is 4.5 kilometers per hour. All right. Okay. Thank you, Tommy. Yeah. Okay. Question 2. Am I too fast? So far, so good or not? If you think I'm too fast, want me to slow down, please type it on the chat group, okay? Yeah. I want you to read the second question to get ready first. Okay. Check your mic. If your background is noisy, you just turn it off, will do. Okay. Question number 2. Okay, let me check. Is it Tommy? Tommy, you got background noise, is it? You're not muted. Okay. Next one. Let's see this question. Okay. Ali walked from his home to the playground, which is 2.8 away. Average speed is 80 meters per minute. How many minutes did Ali have to walk from his home to the playground. So first, I draw distance line. Okay. And I have only one entity, that is Ali. What did he do? I identify everything, home. And then this is called the playground. And the distance is 2.8 kilometer. Do you realize something? The speed given is 80 meter per hour per minute. Meaning to say, I need to convert this into meter. Okay, ds. So what is the missing element here? Is the t. Just now I say how to find t. T is, where's the formula? T. So t is equals to d over s. So d over s. Okay, you can do divide or you can do fractional. So d will be 2008 meters over the speed, which is 80 meter. So 2008 calculator, 2008 divided by 80. That will give me 35. Okay, then it's 35 minutes here. Okay. Anyone still need the diagram? If you need that, just stop me, okay? Then I can flip here. Okay, Sharia? Everything okay? Just checking on you. Okay, all right. Priya, okay or not? Serena? As good as catching up, huh? Good.
It's a new topic, but I'm still okay with it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm checking on the rest. Jaden, okay or not? Galen, are you in front of the screen just to check? To make sure you're with me? Yes, all right, because I didn't see your handsome face. Okay, who should I? Charlotte, okay? Charlotte, Jia Yuan, Isaac, these are the new ones. Okay, good, good. All right. Okay, I will spend quite a few times checking on you. All right, so just to ensure that all are right. Don't be shy to ask questions. The restaurant is 430 meters away from Mickey's house, and it took 20 minutes to walk from his house to the restaurant, and then he come back again. So what is the average speed for this? Okay, some are good. They give me the answer straight away, so fast. But now the thing is that we need to show the distance line. So again, distance line, the restaurant is here. And the house is here. So who is the one moving? Mickey. Okay, so Mickey is supposed to move by this direction. And he took 20 minutes to walk to his house, to the restaurant, and then come back again. So what can you understand from here? Come back again. So that means he's going to this direction. After that, he made a U-turn back. And then to this direction. Go back to his house. So meaning to say, if you were to look at the distance, will he be traveling only 430? No, right? So the distance is 430. Here is another distance of 430. So I want to write distance 1 and distance 2 because it's a different direction, but I just put it there. Okay, so my information here will be what is the total distance that he traveled. The total distance you must times 2. 430 times 2, that will give you 860 meters for the entire trip. That means to and fro. To and fro means go and come back. Okay, and what is the time taken? The time taken will be 20 minutes only. All right, for both ways. Because the question gave you much. So what is the required thing here is to find the speed. Speed, you know that distance must divide by time. So what is the distance here we have was 860 and divide by 20. What is 860 divided by 20? 860 divided by 20, you should get 43 minutes. Okay. Meters per minute. Okay, meters